Namaste ji, my name is 𝗤𝗨𝗃𝗀𝗏. Natively I am from Haryana, but these days I am living in Mumbai. By profession I am an actor, and my job demands a lot of physical as well as mental involvement. So basically I was sort of exhausted, both physically and mentally. I was looking for a retreat, yogic retreat. So that search of my yoga retreat took me here at this place, Vinyasa Yogashala. And now I am a certified teacher. I did their 200-hour TTC. That's the proof. I'm a certified teacher now. But having said that, I think just doing 200-hour TTC won't make you a teacher, but it gives you a path, it shows you a path to walk on to for the rest of your life. And you will just feel blessed and wonderful at the same time to be walking on that path. It's a spiritual as well as emotionally, physically, mentally fulfilling, the whole experience of yoga. The word itself is the union with yourself, the inner, with the universe. And I would like to say a few things about the place where I am right now sitting at the hall. I am going to miss this hall. I've spent my 25 days here. Yes, I made this emotional connect with this place. I'm going to miss it. It's a wonderful journey. It's a wonderful learning altogether. All the teachers, the staff, my classmates, I'm going to miss them. It really felt like a family living here, learning here. It was more of a gurukul. For these 25 days, I was feeling that I'm staying or being a part of a gurukul discipline. I'm not a very disciplined person personally, but in order to complete this course and in order to have this certificate, I need to follow some discipline. And yes, I have successfully did that. So, and all the other things like excursion, food, teaching, 100 out of 100. I am satisfied. I'll just recommend all of you, whoever is going to watch this video, that please come here. You will love it and thank me later. It's a wonderful place and surrounded by mountains. All in all, it's a wonderful experience. Have it. Thank you.